Okay guys, we're underneath the house. We've got the water level set. I think we've got shorts now that you guys can look at to see how we did that. But when I want to tell you so that when you move around this water level, you don't want to let the water run out. Okay, you want to keep your thumb on it or put something in there like a golf tee or a wire nut and make sure it's not leaking. But what I normally do is hold my thumb on top of it like so, and then I get to where I'm going, I tuck it in like above the frame, and then I can just sit here and I put it right next to the pier or something that I'm leveling. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go around this whole house from this 50-foot area. We can do 100 feet. We're going to go around and see whether we're high or low all the way around. And that's going to have the two of us, which is only two of us today, to holler out, hey, it's a 1/4 inch low or it's a little bit high. So if it's lower, we need to come down. If it's higher, we need to go up. Okay, so that's what we're trying to determine now. In this particular case, I have skirting that is put on top of blocks with wood frame, and I can't go down without tearing off that skirting, so we have to go up. But what I need to know right now is overall, how is this house setting? What way? You know, there's 4 corners. It can actually go up and down, especially if the frame is bent. Sometimes you can't do a whole lot about a bent frame. I don't see any signs of that here. But we're going to find out what we got to do and make a decision. And if you ever want to, I used to take the guys with me, and I used to keep a cracker box, like saltine crackers. And I would say, okay, this house has got to do this. But let's say we determine that this house is sitting like that. So then I tell them, hey, we got to bring this corner up. And when we do bring this corner up, this corner will go down. Okay? So if you want an idea, you can kind of take a 2x4 or a cracker box, and you can figure out what you need to do mentally. All right? So sometimes it can be real high here and real low here. When you go up here, this will come down. Is that making sense? All right. Here we go. We'll have to leave you for a bit, and we'll carry you along the steps.